80% of what the best dancers in the world are doing consists out of only 6 turns. I went to the dance floor and I found out that I was forgetting everything I knew. Okay, I knew I had like 50 or maybe 100 combinations, but the moment I went on the dance floor, I forgot everything. Ladies, who do you want to dance with? With the man A, that has 1,000 combinations but makes no contact with you whatsoever? Or you want to dance with man B that gives you a lot of attention. He gives you the feeling that you're special in those 4 or 5 minutes on the dance floor within that song, and he doesn't have a lot of combinations, maybe only 4 or 5. Most ladies, if you give them the choice, will go, give me guy B, because most ladies dance because of the connection. Everything we do consists out of only 6 turns. How to create a system in which you only focus on those 6, which gives you a lot of more focus and attention and connection with your partner instead of focusing on your 258 turns. Everything we do consists out of only 6 turns.